Once upon a time, in a cheerful village, there lived a kind-hearted girl named Lily. Lily loved to dance, and she dreamed of having a special pair of shoes that would make her dance with everlasting joy. One sunny day, as Lily was walking through the village square, she spotted a small, old shoe shop tucked between two tall houses. The sign above the door read, "Magical Shoe Emporium." Curiosity twinkled in Lily's eyes, and she decided to step inside. The shop was filled with all sorts of shoes, each one more unique than the next. A friendly old shoemaker named Mr. Cobb greeted her warmly.
"Hello, dear. How can I assist you today?"
he asked with a twinkle in his eye. Lily explained her wish for dancing shoes that would fill her heart with joy. Mr. Cobb smiled and disappeared into the back of the shop, returning with a dusty but beautiful pair of shoes.
"These are the dancing shoes of everlasting joy,"
he declared.
"They've been waiting for someone just like you."
Lily carefully put on the shoes, and as soon as her feet touched the ground, she felt a magical tingling sensation. With a skip and a twirl, she found herself dancing gracefully around the shop. Her heart was filled with pure happiness, and she knew these were the shoes she had always dreamed of. With a grateful heart, she thanked Mr. Cobb and left the shop, dancing all the way home. From that day on, Lily's life was filled with music and dance. She twirled through meadows, danced under the twinkling stars, and brought joy to everyone she met. Word of Lily's magical shoes spread throughout the village, and soon, people from near and far came to watch her dance. They couldn't help but smile and feel the happiness radiating from her. One evening, as the sun set in a blaze of colors, Lily danced at the village square. Suddenly, a soft glow surrounded her, and the shoes shone brighter than ever before. Lily knew that the magic of the shoes was spreading, bringing happiness to all who watched. And so, the dancing shoes of everlasting joy became a legend, and the village was forever known as a place where happiness bloomed in every step. Remember, my dear friends, that joy can be found in the simplest of things, and sometimes, a pair of magical shoes can remind us to dance through life with a heart full of happiness.